She has a good tip there too. Yeah. I just bought like a dozen tubes of roof caulking from Amazon, and it came straight to my house.
Oh, good.
So, you know, check that if you can't find it.
I hate to ask why you needed the roof caulking. Did you have a leak? Oh, goodness.
You can guess. Anyway,
I could guess. It's terrible to hear about the scammers as well. Just watch out, watch yourself out there. It's unfortunately, it brings out the best of people and also the worst in people dealing with these issues. Right now, tracking Hurricane Maria. No threat to Texas, but this has been a storm that has caused big problems for Puerto Rico over the last 12 hours. In fact, it has made landfall and it's now exiting right now. It's had winds gusting over 165 miles per hour on the island, as well as massive flooding. So the picture's now just starting to emerge from what looks to be a very bad situation. This will be moving off of Puerto Rico. Currently winds of 140 miles an hour, strengthening to 145 miles per hour as it approaches the eastern Turks and Caicos. And then hopefully curving out to sea. At this point, it looks like that's the most likely scenario, avoiding the southeast U.S. mainland. Potential, however, in the week to come that it may get very close to the southern New England coast before veering off into the Canadian Maritimes. That could bring heavy rain and also gusty winds to Cape Cod and areas like that. Meanwhile, this is Jose. Still there. Jose, a tropical storm, a strong one, hanging tough, and it could produce more rain, but no threats here to Texas. What we are seeing, however, is a southeast flow, tropical moisture moving into the region, very much like Monday when we had those isolated torrential downpours. We're seeing that again today. Right now, getting one right along 288 south of Almeda, approaching the South Beltway there. Space Center Houston getting a downpour and also some thunder and lightning around League City and the Webster area. That's moving northeast toward LaPorte and the Pasadena area. Also, south of Lake Houston, a downpour moving up Alt 90 toward Barrett and Crosby. Liberty County is also seeing some heavy rains right on the border of Chambers County near Herkimer, north of I-10, the Beaumont Freeway. And farther to the north in central and northern Liberty County, from Liberty all the way up through Ramaire and Moss Hill, scattered thunder shower activity. That'll be the case all afternoon. Even starting to see it right now in Matagorda and western sections of Brazoria County. Denzinger getting some rain. All right, let's talk temperatures right now. It is hot outside, 90 at Hobby, 91 in Sugar Land. It's not the thermometer, though, that's making it feel so hot. It's the dew point. Dew point's approaching 80 degrees at the coastline. That is instant sweat, not typical for the end of summer, right? Well, unfortunately for Houston, it probably is pretty typical. First day of fall comes our way on Friday, but unfortunately, it's not going to feel like fall. It's going to feel just like this. Highs up around 90 this afternoon, 50% chance for rain, cooling down slowly to a steamy 80 degrees. The kind of weather where if you wear eyeglasses and you walk outside, they're going to fog up. Same for sunglasses, but especially this evening. Fall on Friday, but check it out. The only thing changing with the seasons is our rain chances. Those will be going down ever so slightly, but still that ever-present isolated storm chance. We did need a little bit of rain for the grass, even though we had 51 inches after Harvey, and it feels strange saying that, but of course a lot of lawns out there are starting to dry up. We're getting the webworms and all those different pests, so the rain's good for that, but of course a lot of us have a little bit of post-trauma after seeing all that rain in late August. And
that's the thing about rain.
Yesterday.
If we could only, you know, do it in small but consistent doses.
Wouldn't it be nice controlled release of rain, but unfortunately
that's why we have sprinklers.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, Brooks.